Hello friend, economics is a vast subject. This is a bit difficult to understand. But if you continue to understand it in a sequential manner, then it will become easier. Friend, we are all living in a materialistic world where money bears a lot of importance. It is rightly said, money is power. It has the power to disgorge the truth even from the dumb and deaf. It has the power to change the government. It has the power to raise monuments. But friend, do you know about the evolution of money? Did money exist at the beginning of human civilization? No, this is not so. But with the beginning of human civilization, the needs of humans increased. Humans started being materialistic. Today, one need was fulfilled. Tomorrow, two requirements came up. Actually, infinite desires made him materialistic. But at the beginning of human civilization, there was no money. So the question arises, how they fulfilled their infinite desires? Friend, you must have read about the barter system. This was a system in which the buyer and the seller had something to sell and purchase, like grains for goat, clothes for cotton, agricultural equipment for grains, etc., etc. These commodities are said to be commodity money. This system was maintained for several hundred years. It is still practiced in remote areas of the country. But as the feeling of luxury and infinite desires increased among humans, the importance of this system decreased. This is because in this system it becomes complicated to decide how to estimate the value of the goods to be sold or purchased. Plus, the probability of being cheated is also very high. In such a situation, then came a currency in the forms of precious stones, leather, clothes, etc. Cowrie was very popular in India as a sign currency. The existence of currency made buying and selling a lot easier. The looks of these currencies changed with the passage of time. Later, they took the form of metal, silver, gold, iron, nickel, and then cloth and paper. And now currencies are taking digital forms very fast. Such currencies are called digital currencies or cryptocurrencies. Friend, now let us understand about the evolution of money in detail. Shekel currency is said to have come into circulation in Mesopotamia civilization 5000 years ago. About 650 AD, the king of Lydia founded the first mint. Lydia is currently in Turkey. Lydia's currency was made of electrum, silver and gold, and on its surface was the image of a roaring lion. There is evidence of currency trend in China and India in 600 BC, but the paper currency was first started to be practiced in China after the 11th century, probably because paper was invented in China itself. Now let us know about the gradual development of currencies in India. As I have told you that the currency was evolved in India in 600 BC. The Indian rupee came in vogue. Rupa means silver in Sanskrit, and rupee came out of this term. It was made of silver or some other metal. The British Empire introduced paper notes in the 19th century. After the Paper Currency Act 1861, the Bank of England retained the right to print currency. After the First World War in 1914, a 1 rupee note was printed, and then officially 10, 20, 50, 100 and 1000 notes were printed. These notes had the image of the British Queen and they were described in 2 languages. India's first currency printing press was established in Nashik, Mumbai in 1928. And the Reserve Bank of India was established on 1st April 1935, which received the privilege to control the Indian currency. The first 5 rupee note was printed by RBI in 1936. The image of George V was printed on the 5 rupee note. In the same year again, denominations of 10, 100, 1000 and even 10,000 rupee notes were printed. However, this 10,000 denomination note was demonetized in the year 1946 in exactly the same way as on 8 November 2016. The government demonetized 500 and 1000 notes. However, the 10,000 rupee note was again printed in a new way in 1956. Mahatma Gandhi's image on Indian notes first came in 1969. Then in 1979, the smiling face of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, came out permanently with a 500 rupee note. So friend, this is how money was involved. In the next video, we will learn the types of money.